Yeah, check out the setup real quick. Let me know if any of y'all boys are into PCs too, because this is another thing I do, like cars. Like, I've been building PCs for a little while, but this is my PC right here. The specs are like I think it's like an i7 12700K and a 4060 GPU. If y'all know about PCs, my cable management is super bad. I was just watching some Walking Dead right now. If y'all mess with PCs for real, let me know, because sometimes I'll be running FIFA, sometimes I play Fortnite. I'm kind of nice at Fortnite, so I'll show y'all a clip if y'all want to see it. We got the 340. I also got some new plans for this car. As y'all know, I've been running stage 2 for a while, but I actually want to go like upgraded fuel pump and maybe a bigger turbo, because I'm used to the power right now. I know it looks fast, it is fast, but you get used to the power super quick in these cars, I promise y'all. I also turn on a cold start noise reduction in my MHD, so this is what it sounds like on a cold start now. It's not as loud anymore, but it sounds pretty good. Usually that thing would be screaming, but I just thought it was a little bit too loud for me. So this is how we running it right now. I'm gonna bring this up to the garage, show you the garage real quick, because I got a garage now, so I can work on my car as much as I want, whenever I want. So it is truly a blessing, bro. So let me show y'all real quick. This place ain't even done yet. I think they just built it, but yeah, that's my spot right here. I'm gonna back up the car in there, because this shit looks pretty as hell when it's parked up inside. It's my new favorite place to park my car. Even though it was all the way down there, I just wasn't trying to do all that last night, but give y'all a quick little walk around. I'm already late for the car show, like I said, so I won't make it too long, but yeah, there's a garage. It's actually shared, so I don't got it all to myself, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, I was thinking to go like probably hybrid turbo on the 340 and maybe the B58 TU pump. I also see some people running like the door stage 3 or stage 2, something like that. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna get yet, but yeah, the car's looking hella nice, bro. Shit looks low as hell. Damn. But yeah, I think that's a plan for the car. I'm thinking to like really make this thing fast. I feel like it would just be way cooler, way more entertaining, because like I said, I'm used to the power right now, and I'm planning on changing the wheels. I live in Canada, so I gotta have winters and summers, but for the summertime, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. I'm thinking to run some 437Ms. These ones are busted up, not the best condition, but I think they would look good on the car. I only have 2 right now. I still need to get 2 more. And yeah, this is my winter tires though. I'm trying to sell these. I don't even like them. I'm not trying to put them back on the car, but I'm gonna run some 437Ms. I think they look good on F30s. Fresh Kicks had some on his car for a little while, and I actually liked it, so I think I'm gonna change the wheel setup soon. I just got a little bit used to the black on black. I still love this, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna change it up soon as well. See, that's the only downside. I don't have the thing in my car to open my garage door, so I gotta like get out, go all the way around back, open the door, and then park my car inside. That's why I just park outside sometimes, but the garage is my new favorite place to park, so I'm gonna try to get one of the things for my car, because no way it's that hard to set up. But yeah, I'm gonna be on my way to my car meet real quick, so I'll pick up the camera once I'm there. Hey, I'm almost there, but 2 of my boys there right now, and he told me to pull up in style because there's a couple 335s, so I'm gonna see what it's all about. But I don't even know what kind of car show it is, like I said. I'm not sure if it's somewhere like regular people go with their cars like me, or it's like some organized thing. I have no clue what it is, bro. I just saw the poster and we like, yeah, we gonna go there. All right, it should be somewhere down here. Holy shit, I see all them people over there. Everyone looking at me. Yeah. I got it to pop at the right time. I'm gonna show them we ain't no joke, bro. We got an R-beamer right here. He ain't even giving me no pull. They said I can just pull up inside. I think it's some Jamaican thing too. Damn, I'm gonna get copyrighted, bro. Oh yeah, that's my boys right here. Shit, I'm probably gonna get copyright, but I just parked my car up over here. Some more cars still pulling in, but oh shit, that sounds like a bike. Yeah. Yeah, we got a couple Beamers out here too. Got a E90, I believe it's 335. Got a F30 335 right here. I fuck with the white F30s though. This shit sitting nice as hell too. Machine Braap.
Somebody gotta buy the car.
You gonna win for sure. Hey, my boy got the C450. This shit V8. You wanna run it with me, but I feel he gonna walk me. But he giving me a drive right now, so I'ma see what it feels like. This shit nice.
You know an all-wheel drive at 500 torque is pretty fucking.
For additional options,
I ain't never been in a Benz before.
I won't talk if you don't want to.
Oh, no, it's cool.
Sorry you're having trouble. Please try again later.
Yeah, this is my first time
You
in
know
a
what?
Benz.
I'm happy as fuck, bro. I haven't hung out with fucking Jamaican brethren for a long time, my brother.
Hey, I just moved down here too, so I was just trying
Toronto?
to see what. Ottawa. It's Ontario. This shit moves. Hey, this shit moves for real. Damn. Hold on, it's twin turbo?
iTurbo 6.
Okay.
Oh, bro, I'm a homie, man. I promise.
Guy. I respect that. Hey, that shit pulling, guy. That shit pulls.
This thing goes, bro.
Damn. I love that, bro. Hey, this shit fire. This shit.
You got so what do you got? Sport mode on this thing?
Yeah.
You got Sport Plus or no?
Sport Plus.
I'm just I love BMWs too. German engineering is the best. Very nice. You got good. What year is this?
2016.
What is it? C 340? You said?
That would be fun. Lunch is fun. I'll give you a lunch right here. I just want to make clear.
This thing's got some jam, bro. You're good.
Because there's a lot of car people right here.
You got a nice car, bro. But we only got 6 cylinders. Rear wheel drive. Oh yeah, you would take me, bro. My car. Yeah, I passenger seat is tricky, though. But it sure feels like it. Do you have new turbos on here?
Not yet, but I'm getting some.
This close. This close. You fucking schooled that boy.
Good.
Yeah.
Come on, time. See it again. I drive, my brother. I drive, my brother. No. Hey, man, run up in the people now because you lose.
Just park up, my G. That's why I got my G.
This shit, it's raining right now, boys, so I'm finna run inside, but I saw the footage right there. I just ran the Challenger. I'm not even sure which one it is, but it's a V8, a new M4 just pulled up. Yeah, this is the guy that just gave me a rip in his AMG right here. Y'all know this is my dream car right here. Only thing I try to go not convertible, but that shit's still nice, bro. And the white body Challenger. But yeah, it's low-key kind of fun because I'm getting to know the car scene a little bit down here. I just talked to a couple people as well, and some of them actually got shops and all that, so yeah, soon enough, bro, we gonna be in the car scene down here for good. All right, boys, I just left the car meet right now. I was there for hella long. It's all Jamaican people, though. If y'all know, I'm Jamaican too. So we was just vibing. Most of them got Beamers too. But yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all a little drive before I go home right now. That's what the car looking like. Damn, it's low-key kind of chilly as hell, bro. It's summer, but hey, the weather is coming back. Like the temperature is dropping and all. But hey, we still looking clean. I didn't even watch this thing before I went to the car show today because I didn't know if it's something I could park up, like I said. I think it's something they do like every Sunday as well. So I think I'm gonna be pulling up there more often. I met a bunch of cool people today. They got like shops and all that. So definitely good because I'm in a new city. I don't know nobody over here, bro. So today was a good day. And yeah, we gonna end off with a POV for real. Hey, I don't know what's up with that car, but that shit does not sound right, bro. I can't find my way out of this parking lot. Yeah, everyone probably looking like, the hell this guy got a camera on his head for, but
This guy's recording!
yeah. You trying to be in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna be in it for sure. I'm gonna give y'all a lunch. Damn, his POV probably looks crazy. I wish I could get that video. He went, this guy's recording. Damn. Not even a good slide. Shit, I had my my traction control, it's not completely turned off, so now X-Drive trying to correct itself. Look at the view, bro. I was hearing like I drove here a couple videos ago, but damn, I actually like this city a lot because it got some crazy places for me to drive my car. That shit sounds menacing, guy. God damn. Hey, this is what I'm talking about though. Y'all see the random like craziest buildings down here all the time too. I didn't even get a good pull, gang. Shit fucked up. Oh, you good, you good. You trying to get in?
That'd be nice.
You good, yeah.
Oh, man's got the roof and everything done.
Yeah, I'm recording right now. Hey, just
Safe, huh?
Oh,
Safe.
just get in front of me, yeah. Hey, this Audi going crazy. wanted this Audi so bad. Yo, my boy cutting up. Where the hell I got so much people to cut up with? Yo, look at them. Hey, they crazier than me for sure, cause damn, that boy. Hey, they going crazy. The Genesis versus Ford. I don't even know what kind of Ford it is, but that shit fire. Why the Audi trying to come behind me, bro? I'm trying to race you.